Hey, howdy, hey y'all, Leanna here, and in today's edition of What's on the Porch, I have my BoxyCharm Premium. I'm super excited because it came early. This is the look that I created using the products in the box. We're going to go over each of those products, and you can watch me put them on, and I will give you my thoughts on how they performed. This is the BoxyCharm Premium for November, and it says it's giving giftable glam, and I'm super excited about the products that are in this box. We're going to start out with the two products that I did not put on because I had already done my skincare. One of them is a skincare and one of them is a cleansing treatment. We're going to start out with this Perricone MD No Rinse Micellar Cleansing Treatment. It has L-carotene and vitamin B5 in it. And this retails for $45, and Perricone MD is a cruelty-free brand. And I'm excited about that because I really do like this brand. Some of their products can be just a little pricey, but it is a very good brand. And this is what the product looks like. It's in a very nice glass bottle. Let's see if it has a scent. Doesn't really have a scent. Maybe just a very light, clean scent. This is 4 fluid ounces, which is not a lot when you're spending $45. This ultra gentle liquid cleansing treatment works as a 3-in-1 cleanser, toner, and makeup remover. It helps remove surface debris and unclog impurities from deep within pores while smoothing and conditioning. Skin is left looking and feeling refreshed. So it's has skincare benefits to it as well. So I'm looking forward to using that. I love to use micellar water. I use that to remove my eye makeup before I do any of my cleansing, and whatever's left on the pad, I will just swipe over my face and then I will go cleanse the rest of my face. And then we have this Avant Skincare Deluxe Hyaluronic Acid Vivifying Face and Eye Night Cream. And this little puppy right here retails for $134. $134. That's crazy, y'all. I mean, I appreciate getting this so that I can try it out. There is nothing that would make me spend $134 on this product. You can find lots of good products at a reasonable price. So don't have, what is it called? FOMO? Yeah, don't have that, because you don't need to spend $134 on your skincare. Avant is a cruelty-free brand, and it says this is a delightful anti-aging moisturizer for use on the face and targeted eye area, formulated with hyaluronic acid that works to deeply nourish your skin. It also combines signature ingredients to help improve the appearance of enlarged pores, uneven skin tone, fine lines, dullness, and a weakened skin surface. And I'm sure that it has a safety seal on it. But let's pop that off and see for $134 what kind of magical fairies or a genie comes out of this and grants me all my wishes. I'll put a little bit of it on the back of my hand. I hope y'all appreciate me wasting this $134 worth of magical face and eye cream on the back of my hand for y'all. It has a very nice scent, and I don't normally like for my skincare products to have a scent. It's not really perfumey, but does have a very light floral kind of scent to it. It smells very fresh and clean. And I don't know if you can see, this is the hand that I put it on. It definitely makes my hand look more moisturized. It makes the skin look better. The skin on this hand feels kind of dry and tight. And so yeah, that worked pretty good. So I'm excited to give it a try. I'll never buy it. But thank you, BoxyCharm, for sending it to me so that I could give it a try. So now we're going to get into the makeup products that I used on my face. And we're going to start out with the Dominique's Cosmetics The Moment palette. And spoiler alert, I love this palette. I mean, look at this look. I love it. Love it. Love it. So this palette retails for $49, and this palette came out in March of this year, so it is a newer palette. That's awesome that BoxyCharm put a newer palette in their box. And I love how the inside of the box has the same message that the palette itself has. Look how pretty. This is a nice heavy plastic. Dominique's Cosmetics as well is a cruelty-free brand, and on the inside of the palette it says letting go is the key to happiness. Let it go, y'all. Let it go. Very pretty palette. Loved it. It performed like a dream. I love these colors. It says whether you're celebrating a huge milestone or just making the most of any day, get ready with these 10 ultra pigmented blendable shades, including midnight blue, dreamy turquoise, golden shimmers, and smoky mattes. Pour a glass of something sparkly, turn up your favorite playlist, and open up this Life of the Party palette. Let the moment inspire you to step into the spotlight and embrace the journey. Letting go is the key to happiness. It has 10 shades in it. Stepping Out is Army Green. Mesmerized is Iridescent Multi-Shimmer. Life of the Party is a turquoise shimmer. Dinero is a golden shimmer with green reflect. La Noche, matte black with silver shimmer topper. Elevated matte chocolate. Essential warm cognac matte. Embrace cream matte. After Hours deep bronze with gold shimmer. And Midnight Haze is a deep blue shimmer. These shades performed very well. They're very pigmented. Didn't have any issues with any of them. They blended like a dream. Even the shimmers blended very well together. I did have some fallout. I always have fallout. It's very rare for me not to have any fallout, whether that's how the palette, the shades, the shadows, all of the words are performing, or if it's user error, because sometimes how you put your shadows on will determine whether you have a lot of fallout. Fallout does not bother me. There was a little kick up in the pan. That does not bother me either. I absolutely love this palette. I am going to put it on my vanity and continue using it for the month of November. Love it, love it, love it. From there, we're going into this Complex Culture Executive Level Mascara. By the way, Dominique Cosmetics is cruelty-free, as is Complex Culture. Level up your eyes with this multitasking 5-in-1 mascara that defines, lifts, lengthens, volumizes, and nourishes lashes from root to tip. Ultra conditioning formula enhances shine and defines lashes without smudging or flaking. Fit with a curved wand to hug each and every lash for full out, next level volume, and it retails for $28. And it is in a nice component, and the brush was really nice with the square packaging rolling. You know, you roll your lashes. You can't roll a square package. So that was the only downsides to it. But it looks really nice. It went on easy, and I will continue to try that to see how I like it. So far, so good. I put on 3 coats, by the way. The next product is this St. Luxe Morganite and Carnelian Gel Lip Liner Duo. Whew, that's a mouthful to say. This brand is cruelty-free, and it is a black, female-owned brand. I cannot talk today. This product retails for $30. And it says that its new improved gel lip liner is creamy, long-lasting, and hydrating. Smoothly glides onto lips and blends with little to no effort. Achieve a fuller look by overlining lips just above the natural lip line to get a plump, kissable pout. And they are absolutely right. It is super creamy. It went on very, very well. As you saw, I put it all over my entire lip. Sometimes I just wear lip liners because they last longer to me than some of the lipsticks. This is Morganite, the one that I'm wearing, and the other one is the Carnelian. This is a really pretty red, and I will swatch it for you. I mean, it just goes on super easy. I'm going to leave that and see if it kind of dries down any. Did I say that retails for $30? I'm sure I did, because, you know, I don't screw anything up. The next item is this Rare Beauty with Gratitude Dewy Lip Balm. Rare Beauty is cruelty-free. This is a hydrating lip balm with a kiss of dewy, buildable color that looks and feels so good your lips will thank you. Throw on the sheer, soft-tinted lip balm without a mirror and still get it right. It glides on smooth and feels comfy and cushiony. Never greasy or sticky, featuring weightless hydration that lasts all day so lips feel nourished and nurtured. Lips will look fuller and healthier with buildable color that blurs the look of fine lines without setting, and it retails for $16. And the component that it comes in is super cute. It did go on very well, and you saw the swatch. It has a nice pigment to it. It is not sticky or greasy or oily feeling. It's very comfortable on the lips, just like they said. So thank you, BoxyCharm, for giving me a 100% cruelty-free box. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention that along with the Perricone MD Micellar water, they gave you a manual. I mean, do I need to read all of this? So all of the items in my BoxyCharm Premium for November come to a total of $302 because, you know, we got 123, 134. I was giving it a discount, $134. Crazy. I can still smell it. As usual, I am very happy with my BoxyCharm box. Of course, y'all know this is my thing. Eyeshadow palettes. Love eyeshadow palettes. And I have many Dominique Cosmetics eyeshadow palettes, and this one is just as good as those. I love it. Love it. I love this palette, y'all. Look how pretty that is. Multi-chromes and duochromes, and it is a beautiful palette, and it's a good value for $48. So and can we talk about my complexion today? I mean, this is HAUS Labs. I'll have everything that I have on my face linked down below. I am loving this HAUS Labs foundation. It is amazing. So thanks for hanging out with me and watching me unbox my BoxyCharm Premium for November. Before you go, make sure you go down. I don't know where the like button is now. You know, YouTube has rearranged everything. They need to give me a diagram where stuff is. There's a like button somewhere. If y'all could show that puppy some love, it would make me very happy. And as always, I'd like to remind you that makeup is meant to enhance the natural beauty that you already are, and we are all beautiful at any age and any size. Find something to be grateful for today, pull your makeup out and play with it, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye-bye. Christopher, do you need $134 worth of Micellar cleansing treatment? This is meant to put on your face, son, not to clean the fish with, okay? So if you get this, that's expensive fish cleaning stuff. Don't do that. Use it on your face, okay? Mama loves you, boo.